Okay, so let's talk about Unit 1, Day 2, measuring and constructing segments. This is a pretty short lesson. So let's first talk about measuring two-line segment, congruent segments are two-line segments that have the same length. So congruent and equal are very, very similar. The only difference between they're in different places. So they are the same length. So from here to here is the same length as from here to here, but they're just in different places. So you use this a lot with geometry. They are congruent, which in reality you could say they're equal length or equal distance as well. And then the symbol for congruence is an equal sign with a little squiggle on top. That's not a very good squiggle. Let's see if I can do better. Squiggle on top. You can see it over here. That's the symbol for congruence. Okay, so now let's state whether AB and CD are congruent. So first thing we have to do is plot these points. And it's a really good habit to get into to start labeling all of your points when you graph these, because that's what you're supposed to do anyway. And then we have C is right here, and D is right here. Okay, I'm going to connect, and then I'm just going to see if they are congruent or equal distance. So it looks like the top one from A to B is 5 units apart, and CD from there to there looks like it is 4 units apart. So they are not congruent. Okay, so A is -4, 3, 3, 3. That's A and B. Connect them. Then I've got -1, 4 is C, and -1, -2 is right there, D. Okay, it looks like from A to B there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A to B is 7, and C to D, I know I kind of got off there a little bit on my line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no, these are not congruent as well, because 1's 6 and 1's 7. Okay, so now the last part of this lesson is the segment addition postulate. So start memorizing these the best you can. It's handy to know what they're called whenever we start doing our geometry proofs. So segment addition postulate. So from D to E right here is 23, and E to F is 35. So for finding from D to F, you would simply just add them together. We get 58. And if you are labeling, even though there is no label, inches or anything, we'll just say units. 58 units will be your answer for this one. And this one is the exact opposite. They gave us the whole distance is 36. And then from F to G is 21. And we need to find from G to H. So we just subtract them. And you get 15. So 15 units. Oops. And that is it.